There's only one way to make a lot of money on your OnlyFans account, and the way that you're doing it is obviously not working because you're not pricing to print. Girls, I'm mainly talking about you. The first thing I see when I take over a model's OnlyFans account are all these offers. Something like this. There'll be a menu in the bio, and it'll be like, you can purchase this for $5. You can get like a pussy photo, whatever, for $10, or you can get like a pack for $10. To be honest, the pricing is even more horrific than that. And the first thing I want to say to you is, if you're doing this, you're going to fail. Because as soon as guys subscribe to the OnlyFans account, they see this and it feels like an eBay store. So that is the first thing you're doing wrong. The second thing you're doing wrong, which I'm going to go over in this video today, is the pricing. That is god awful. Look, you're selling your naked body on the internet and you're asking $5 in return. So the first thing that you have to think is, if you spent $5 on something, so say you go to Walmart or Kmart here in Australia, and you buy something cheap for $5, and you walk out to the car and you drop it and it falls down the drain. Do you care much? No, because you spent $5. Do you want guys having that same sort of attitude when they pay $5 for one of your PPVs? No, you don't. Because as soon as a guy has that sort of attitude, they think of you as really cheap, and they're not going to pay any more for any more of your content. So you're going to have to keep selling them pieces of content for $3, $4, and $5. And you're spending time trying to butter these guys up, only get $5 in return. We're going to call this CFE. Cash for effort. Because you're never just going to sell a piece of content for $5 without talking to the person first. You're going to have to invest time, which is effort. And so if you're getting $5 in return for your effort, then you're getting a really shitty CFE. So let me show you a couple of simple pricing hacks that you can implement right away to start making 10 times the amount of money on your OnlyFans account without stuffing it up. All right, remember that picture that we were talking about for $5? Yeah, fuck that. You're now going to be selling pictures for no less than $19.99 each. You know that cheap video we were talking about? Well, you're not going to be selling them any less than $39.99 each. And then, particularly if you're using a CRM, a customer relationship manager like Inflow, then those things are going to show you the spending habits for subs, spending habits. And then based on these spending habits it shows, then you can only go upwards from there. So you'll start off selling them a picture for $20, and then you can gradually increase the price. You can start off selling them a video for $40, gradually increase the price. Customs, I'm not joking, no less than $300. They want a custom? Yeah, sure, but it's going to cost you $300. Sorry, babe, I'm not cheap. And they're going to tip you multiple times before you even start, because otherwise you're going to make it and they're just going to rip you off. Just assume everyone's going to rip you off. So $300 for customs, $40 plus for videos, $20 plus for images. Now, in order to sell at these types of prices, you're going to have to warm the subs up. Now, this means starting low. By low, I mean $19.99. That is low. $5 does not exist anymore. Starting at $19.99. And then as they progress, as the sexting set progresses, you'll gradually increase the price. And then when you sell videos, same thing. The low end is $39.99. And then as it progresses, you're going to go up and up and up. Now you're thinking to me, that is so much, they're not going to buy it. If they don't buy it, then you know not to waste their time on you. So by pricing it like this, the subs are both going to value your body more, and you're going to filter out all the brokies who don't have any money, and then you don't need to waste 3 hours of your time only to find out that they barely have 2 nickels to rub together. Now, an easy way to warm them up is by using what I call the new subscriber script. New subscriber script. You can find it inside my school, link is below. And what this does is this has an automated message it will send to the sub. It will create a little scenario, it will get them to do something, and then it will sell them a video for $34.99. Yes, it is slightly cheaper than the $40 I mentioned earlier, but this is to warm them up. And you'll be surprised at how effective this is. Once they purchase this $34.99 video, then you can consider them warmed up. And then whenever you sell them a piece of content after that, it is going to be at least 40 and upwards, and same with the pictures. Now you either want to price your PPVs like this or not at all. And you especially don't want to sell packs. No packs. Girls, again, I'm talking to you. Now you might think I'm full of shit and I won't ever pay those prices. Just try it and you'll be surprised. Now you're going to get some pushback, but now you know who not to waste your time on. Now people know you're serious. You mean business, and they'll start paying it. And then you'll be surprised at how much you can really push that price up and how much they'll pay, providing they are in the mood. As long as they're in the mood, they're willing to pay whatever to keep the talking going, to keep the chatting going. And anyway, that's it. I won't waste any more of your time. Now, if you want more sauce like this and you want chatting script, join the school below, link below. You can find me and a bunch of other legends in there, along with a whole lot of sauce like dating apps, Reddit, TikTok, Insta, how to do all that, how to market, how to bring unlimited traffic to your OnlyFans account, and the scripts that I mentioned earlier. And that's it. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.